Okay, well, let's get started. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How's life? Is everything good? Is it good?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay. Kok ada lagu? Okay. So, today we're going to learn new thing. It is different from previous one. Let me check your memory. Do you still remember what was our last activity about? What was it? Last activity, what did we do in the last meeting?
Describe
other people, appearance and personality.
Okay. Do you still remember how to describe the someone's appearance and personality?
Yes.
Yes, how? Do you still remember some adjectives you use to describe appearance? What are some adjectives you can use to describe someone's appearance?
She is beautiful. She has oval shape face or something.
Okay, good. A beautiful.
The is almond or the eyes color is brown.
What else?
The hair.
Hair, okay.
The hair curly or straight.
Others. What about how to describe personality? What are some adjectives you can use?
She is patient. She is smart. She is diligent.
Cool. What about you, Akmal? Can you give me some other adjectives, Akmal Sahib Maulana, to describe personality?
Is tall, faithful. He is tall, faithful, and what?
Talkative, is that, do you mean?
Yes.
Yes, talkative. Yes, okay. One more student, Mbak Putri. What adjectives you can use to describe personality?
She is friendly.
Good.
Active.
Friendly, sociable.
Yes.
Okay. Easygoing. Okay, so we did that. So we also talk about extrovert, introvert, and I found some of you are introvert, yeah. Is that really, or is that, are you really introvert? Maybe later when you got offline class, you will be extrovert, yeah. Okay, because this is still online class and you are introvert. Okay, well, thank you for your response. And now today we're going to learn about new things. So let me present presentations before you see the activity in your canvas. So let me present this. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let me make it bigger. Let me put it in the slideshow. Right, so this is it, asking for and giving directions. So this is our topic today. Sebentar kok. Ini nggak bisa dihilangkan ya. Sorry. So have you been in these situations? Pernah begini nggak? Have you been in these situations where you need to find a place but you don't know any directions? What did you do? When you
Okay, Google Maps.
Yeah, so that's the easiest thing we can do now, yeah. So other than Google Map, what do you do?
see a sign.
A sign, all right. Google Map, see the signs, and then
Asking other people.
asking other people. So you will ask people about directions. Yes, so before the technology comes of technology Google Map, we often ask people before other than seeing the signs, we ask people, hey, can you show me how to get to hospital, how to get to post office, for instance? You will ask people. Okay, so luckily today we have Google Map. So but some of the citizens, some of us, even though we can easily access Google Map, but they cannot read Google Map. Do you find someone who has this problem? Anda tahu nggak teman atau misalkan saudara Anda walaupun ada Google Map tapi tetap bingung membaca map? Ada begitu. So maybe some of our family or relatives or even our friends, maybe even though with the high techs of Google Map, but they still get confused with how to read the maps. Okay, now let's move to the next one. So this is how to give directions, in English. So because we learned about English, so this is how to give directions in English. This one, turn left. Yeah, belok kiri. So then turn right. If you want to say go straight ahead, go straight. Jangan bilangnya misalkan biasanya kita itu jalan lurus ke mana? Jalan Panglima Sudirman lurus aja. Nanti jangan diimplementasikan dalam bahasa Inggrisnya ya. Go straight ahead. No, you cannot say that. You can say go straight ahead. No, go straight ahead. Along Pahlawan Street, no, don't do that. So go past, kalau melewati sebuah bangunan, you can say go past. Go past the A building, and you will find a cafe is next to the A building, for instance. So cross, you know the idea of cross?
Seberangan.
Menyeberang ya, cross atau diseberang begitu ya. So then if the building is at the corner, you say at the corner of. Okay, at the corner of Main Street, for instance. Next to, kalau bersampingan, misalkan B, building B is next to A. Gedung B bersebelahan dengan gedung A. So you can say building B is next to building A. And this one is the opposite, atau bilangnya juga bisa in front of begitu ya, is the opposite of building B, is the opposite of building A. Well, if it is the case, between building B is between building A and C. All right, easy, right? Mudah ya. This is how to give directions. So here are some phrases, some expressions you can use to how to ask for and give directions. Where is the main building? Where is the town square? Where is the cafe? Where is the Padang restaurant, for instance? So how do I get to cinema? How do I get to Matos? You don't know Matos, yeah. Malang Town Square. So how do you get to the campus, for instance? Yeah. So where can I find this? So there are some expressions here. You can use some of them, and this is how to give directions. So your answer can be, okay, turn left or right. Take the first turning to the left, right. Go past the restaurant or school. The easiest way is to, yang paling mudah jalan yang ini misalkan. The quickest way is to, the best way is to. So Anda bilang take Pahlawan Street and go straight ahead, and then you will find the first T junction. T junction, what is T junctions? Tulisannya
Pertigaan.
pertigaan, good. Bacanya sebenarnya three junctions ya. So, but you can say T junctions or intersections. What is intersections?
Perempatan.
Perempatan, good. Kalau bulat, what do you say? Ada bundaran gitu, biasanya kan ada bundaran gitu. What do you say? Roundabout, ya. Roundabout. Go straight ahead in Pahlawan Street and you will find a roundabout and you can turn right, for instance, begitu ya, belok ke kanan di bundaran itu. So then you will find the post office is next to cafe. Gitu. Okay. So these are some expressions you can use. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it together. Look at the image and complete the sentence. I think this one is very simple. Number one, the museum is. Where's the museum? Here is the museum. The museum
Opposites
is
of ancient tree.
good. The opposite of. No. Di sini supermarket. Berarti yang mana? The museum is
Next
is
to
next
supermarket.
to.
Next to supermarket.
Di samping itu next to. Hey, who is sitting next to you? Siapa yang duduk di sampingmu? Begitu. So next to it is actually di samping ya. So the museum is next to the supermarket. Good. Number two, the town hall is. Where's town hall?
Opposite.
Is the opposite ya. Tapi di sini nggak ada pilihannya, tapi tetap benar. The opposite of the hotel. Okay, good. In front of juga bisa. Number three, the post office is. Here is post office.
Between.
Post office is blah 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 supermarket.
In front
and
of.
the museum.
Between itu.
Bukan in between ya. Berarti apa? Near to mungkin ya. Yang paling dekat kan near to ya. Dekat museum and supermarket. Number four, the theater is. The theater is blah 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 the school.
Behind the school.
Behind the school. Ya, oke, bisa jadi. Tapi di sini ada ya. Behind the school, oke. Atau bisa juga next to mungkin ya. Is it next to? What do you think? Tergantung sekolahnya madep kemana ya ini. Ngadep sini atau ngadep sini. Oke. So that's the thing we can do. Number five, the hospital is. The hospital is blah 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 the supermarket. What do you think the best answer? The hospital is? Berarti di mananya?
Behind.
Behind. Okay, good. Behind. Thank you, Akmal. So next, let's do this. Based on the map, give directions to the pharmacy. Where is the pharmacy? Pharmacy is here. From the park. Parknya mana? Where's the park? Here is the park. So you say from the park. Bentar, saya tidak bisa melihat karena ada ini. Okay. Where's the park? Anyway, here's the park. How to get to pharmacy from the park?
Walk along.
Walk along. Yes, walk along. Jalan Zuhal. And then?
The roundabout.
Roundabout.
You will find the turnabout and turn left. Turn right. Okay. Turn right and then what do you say?
Along Jalan Matahari.
Walk along lagi. Walk along
Then,
Jalan Matahari and
then in the junction turn right.
okay, you will find the first T junctions and turn right. And then sampai sini and
then you will find pharmacy in next of museum.
Sebelum ke farmasi Anda bilang ini apa? Jalan lurus.
Walk along.
Walk along atau sebenarnya ada go straight ya. Go straight ahead in jalan apa ini?
Jalan merah, jalan
in the street, yeah. Go straight in the street, and then you will find the pharmacy is next to museum. Gitu ya. Okay. So the pharmacy is on your left hand, biasanya begitu. Di samping kiri Anda begitu. So that's pretty much how we can do. So now let's do this. Can any one of you ask some of your friends about directions? Silahkan. Siapa yang bertanya siapa? Jody, silahkan tanya temannya. Hey, how can I go to? Misalkan saya contohkan. Hi Akmal, I'm in Catherine's house right now. Can you show me how to get to supermarket? Misalkan begitu ya. This Catherine house itu di sini. Oke. Siapa silakan dipilih? Siapa? Yusril, yes.
Yusril. Oh, I can get to mana ya? Go to school, go to park.
From
Ruth house. Ruth house.
From mana Ruth house?
Itu.
Oh, Ruth, okay. Where is Yusril? Yusril, are you here? Yusril, are you there?
Sorry, I'm
Yes,
listening.
So Jody is in Ruth's house. So can you show him the way to the park? Park is here. Here is the park. Yes. Atau yang lain dulu, Mas Jody, silakan dipilih lagi. Siapa? Silakan. Any volunteers from you? Can you show Jody's how to get to park from Ruth's house? Maybe Ulil, you can do Ulil.
You twisted lane. Dari Ruth house.
Ruth house. Here is Ruth house, and go to the park from corner to corner.
Okay, go straight if you find three junction.
T
Go
junction.
Right. Three junction. Go right, and if you and you meet T junction again, go left, and long head, right head, and if you find three intersection, go right, and the park is near you. And
the park is in your left hand.
In your left.
Your left side.
On your left side.
Oke. Tadi kurangnya nggak disebutkan jalannya ya, Mas Ulil. Biasanya bisa begini.
Oh, yeah.
From Ruth house, you can walk along Twisted Lane, and then you will find the T junction in 5th Street. From 5th Street, walk along, and you will find the first T junctions on Berry Drive. So you walk along past the supermarket, and you will find a supermarket. Go straight ahead, you will find intersections atau 4 junctions, and then turn right. So the park is in your left side. Begitu ya. Okay, thank you Mas Ulil thank you for trying. So Mas Ulil, can you find one student and please ask him or her for directions?
Can you tell me where the school? I am
Where-
in Catherine House right now.
Okay. Who?
Rifki Ari.
Rifki Ari, yes. From Catherine's house to the school. How to get to the school from Catherine house.
From Catherine House sampai mana, Miss? Sekuliah.
School, yeah,
Oh.
school.
In the main street, go straight until T junction in the fifth street. Turn left,
Mhm.
turn left, and go straight. Go straight. In the first T junction, go straight, and you see. And the second T junction, turn right,
Mhm.
and sampai school.
And the
Thank you,
school
Miss.
is right in front of you, bisa begitu ya? Karena
Ya.
sekolahnya di depan. Tadi ya, Mas siapa tadi? Fikri. Rifki.
Ya.
Nanti go straight ahead begitu, jangan go straight, go ahead begitu, nggak usah begitu. Ada kebiasaan lurus mentok ceduk. So don't bring the culture into speaking. So you can say go straight ahead. Thank you, Mas Rifki. Mas Rifki, can you point
Miss.
out your friends and ask him for directions?
From David House go to Catherine House.
Sorry, from David's house to Catherine
Catherine
house.
House.
Oke, coba digunakan ekspresinya. Can you show me Catherine's house from David's house? Gitu ya. Can you repeat,
Can
Mas?
you show me
The directions to
the direction to David House
To
Catherine
Catherine.
House?
to Catherine's house from? Berarti.
Oh ya,
Iya.
David House to Catherine House from David House.
Who?
Tarmis. Wait. Aldi Smart.
Aldi. Yes, Aldi.
Halo.
Yes, I can hear you, Aldi Smart.
Sorry, Miss, kameranya error, Miss.
Bisa aja alasannya, oke.
Bener, Miss, bener,
Go
Kak.
on, yes.
Okay, from David House, go to Berry Drive Street and turn right to the 5th Street and turn right again to the main street and turn left to the Catherine House.
Okay, thank you. So that's pretty much how you can do how to do directions. Yeah, okay. Any questions in regards to this? Semakin detail, semakin bagus ya. So when you get into detail, it is better for you to show the directions for others. So they will, someone who asks for direction will not get lost. Okay, so that's it. And after this, you need to go to LMS or Canvas. Let me show you the Canvas. Here we go, week 5. So you are going to proceed with this. Let me explain one by one, but you're gonna do it individually after this. Introduction. So this is basically our learning objectives. You will see this after the synchronous class. And then do you still remember what kind of expressions used in asking and giving directions? Please, if you still remember some of expressions, how to ask and give for directions. And then, okay, you need to listen to audio while looking at the map. Silakan audionya nanti di play, lalu Anda sambil lihat ini. So then you need to answer or try to find place A. What is A? What is B? What is C? And what is D? Berdasarkan audionya. Oke, silakan dituliskan di sini. So you need to write down your answer here. Okay, the next one. conference. Kita sudah adakan conference hari ini ya, linknya sudah ada tadi. Yang ini di skip karena kita sudah lakukan. So then giving direction assignment. So you need to record yourself. This is our campus. Look at this map and give direction from place A to place B. Yang ini tidak tanya tapi Anda akan merecord sendiri, self-recording. Record it in the form of audio or video and upload it in Google Drive and send the link here. So you need to send the link into the platform. Basically, it trains your, this is the example.
So I am at
Can you listen?
Jalan Raya Tlogomas or
Anda bisa mendengarkan nggak?
Yes.
Bisa, ya. Yeah. So you need to listen to this. This is the example of this. I think you need to be familiar with our campus. So I think next semester is going to be offline, maybe, hopefully, yeah. So this is about speaking practice. And the next one is quiz. Basically, you need to fill in certain verbs that similarly that we did in the previous explanations. Jadi seperti tadi mengisi jawaban yang kosong begitu saja. So that's it. Any questions? Sudah bisa masuk LMS semua ya? So setelah ini individual activities, you need to proceed with week 5. That's it. If there is no questions, I would like to end the sessions of synchronous meeting here. Thank you very much for your active participation. See you next week, inshallah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you, everyone.